Hello everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. In this video we're going to be doing some leopard print tips. So we've already prepped these nails, fitted the tips, and now we're ready for the acrylic application. So we're just going to use Rose Glow core powder for the whole nail. First bead, medium sized bead. It does set fairly quick, Rose Glow, so you've got to work quick or wet with it. Especially in the summer. You can always add some, like I am here. Another small bead for the cuticle area. Setting so quick because of the heat in here. So we're just going to let these nails dry and then we'll file them all into shape. So we're going to file these nails now, the usual way, side walls. Free edge. Getting all that from underneath the tip. The sides. Contour the middle. And down the cuticle. Blind. I am. Jesus, this has obviously been a long day. Up over the surface of all these nails. Take out all the scratches. Then clean off all the dust with some gel residue wipe off solution. And then it's ready for the art. So we're going to be using this gold glitter gel called Pharaoh and some black gel polish. So get a dotting tool and just do some random dots in the shape of a tip. Pop that in the lamp for 10 seconds. Get serious black and a detailing brush and just do some regular wiggly lines around each little gold dot that you've done. Then pop some little black dots in the gaps that you have left. Fill the spaces. And pop that back in the lamp. Then we'll repeat that on the rest of the nails and it'll be just ready for top coat. Go on and pop that in. I'm going to finish it off with some Urban Graffiti top coat. Go. Now for my new favourite cuticle oil, bubble gum. There you go.
Thank you.
So there it is, leopard print design. If there's anything else you would like to see, comment down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, should we just do that with that one? Yeah. It's like 40 minutes might seem like a lot, but it's really not.
I dread to see the end of these videos, what you caught me doing.